Guys, what's going on? Welcome again. Shifu Gregg here with the Authentic Shaolin Kung Fu School and Mythbusters. Today we're going to be working on horse stance. Is it effective? Why it's effective? Why we still use it? Why people talk trash about it? And that's pretty much it. See you later. Hey, what's going on again? Welcome back to another Mythbusters. Before we start our Mythbusters on our horse dance today, please like, subscribe, leave comments, guys. Like I said, leave good comments. Everybody's in today's world with the keyboard warriors and everything else, man. It's all good. You leave a comment that's shitty, I'm not going to answer you. Leave a good comment, leave an honest comment, and I'll definitely answer everybody that's in there. But guys, please leave comments. Like, again, subscribe. Fix up the algorithms, and again, we're going to be working on horse stance. What is effective in the horse stance? Is it effective in a nowadays type of an understanding? Why we still use it traditionally? How is it beneficial, and how it can be beneficial? Right. So when you're sitting in a horse stance position, you're here. You're building intermuscle connection. All the quads are working. The calves are working. The balancing joints and muscles on and around the ankles are working. It's helping you develop good skills and strength. It builds up the hip flexors here. It builds squatting and pushing power. If I wanted to grab somebody, there's so many different reasons why they use horse stance. Why would we use horse stance? We're not going to fight our opponent this way in a horse stance position. We're too far down. We're not in a good fighting stance. We're very far away from each other. But if we were here and my opponent threw a punch and I came in here and I used my leg right away, you can see the minute he throws, I'm closing the gap and my leg is coming right in underneath. Now, if I didn't have a strong enough thigh and I didn't have good horse stance and I push this way, he could straighten that leg up and he could force me back. He could take my root. So horse stance is because of root, right? We want to be able to develop that root. So again, right from here, the minute he throws in, I'm here. I have my good horse stance. So if I could sit in horse and bring him right over my leg, then I'm in good shape, because from here I come in, boom, right over, he comes right over that leg. So that's one reason why we use that horse stance. Another reason is to say we get him in an arm bar. I'm utilizing what? Utilizing the horse. So from here, if I don't have a strong horse and my legs are really weak, he can grab and step out with his right leg. No, grab and step out with your right leg, or step outward with your right leg, and you have already the hook on my leg, and that's going to bring me to the floor, right? So with a good horse stance, if I have him in an arm bar and I'm here and he goes to grab that leg, it's not moving. And now I have a good stable stance and I have a good arm bar. So from this point, I can pull him down, lock him up here, hook up, and we're good to go. Now let's just say I got him down to the floor, I threw him down, and I'm here. So now I'm using, again, utilizing my horse stance, putting pressure here, locking the arm up, and now I'm here in this position. So I can lock my opponent up. Let's just say my opponent, we're in a tussle position here, and I have a really good horse stance and a good foundation, and I drop my body, I don't have to worry about my body being taken out from underneath me. So in this position, if he tries to take out my legs, I'm in a good horse. So he feels right away, he feels the pressure. He feels the pressure of me sinking into that floor. And if I don't have that, and I'm weak, I can be taken right out of my stance. So again, horse stance is very effective, but it's got to be placed in the right spot, right? So again, if we're here and we're in this position, and say he wants to take that leg, well, now I go from my horse, I can switch to my forward and hold the stability there and push on the thigh to bring him right to the floor. If I'm in a horse and he goes to grab and I push on that thigh, and I have a good horse stance, I can sit into my horse and I can bring him right down to the floor that way as well. So guys, another way of implementing the horse stance. So the horse stance is not something that's just a piece. but it's a transitional piece in what we're doing, right? So say my opponent throws 1, 2, and I come in and I launch it at my opponent. So he's pushing. So as he pushes, I'm gonna sink. I'm gonna sink my arm. So whether I'm here and I go to grab this way, and he tries to move that arm out of the way, I stuff the head in, right? So we're gonna take that out of the way. So we come into this position here, and right away I'm gonna hook here, and I'm gonna pull this arm down. And this is gonna force him, it's gonna force him to pull that arm out of the way, and I'm gonna stuff him right here. So from this position, what I do is we're gonna do a simple roll. So right from here, I square off, and I bend into my horse. Now without a good horse, if I went like this and I bent this way, my opponent can scoop straight in and take me right off my feet. But from this position, I drop down. And the minute I drop down, I'm gonna throw him. So I'm in this position here, I hold here, I drop down, and I throw him off. And I come up, and lo and behold, I come up from the ground into that horse stance, right? So if I'm here, and I'm down here, and I throw my opponent, I roll, and I push to come off my feet. So horse stance is utilized that way. So now let's say we get him in a roll. We're here, I lock him in, he gets his arm out of the way, I straighten this way, I lock up, and as I roll, I come up, and I lock up into this position. So if you come around, I roll, and I have him in a guillotine, but it's a sideways guillotine. My arm is right here. If he decides to grab with this arm here, or go to grab my head, I just push right here, right at the armpit, and I twist. And I have good stability. Now, my horse stance, we ask, okay, so we got into the horse stance, we're using it that way. This way we strike. If we want to get out, I have leg power to push off my opponent. So horse stance is very versatile, and it all depends on what you want to do. But without horse stance, we don't have stability. And in this art, in any art, any war art or fighting art, it starts from the floor. So it's really important to make sure that our root base is strong. Whether we're in a guard stance, whether he shoots in, and I stable my body into a horse stance, push down on the thigh, whether it's a forward stance, whatever it is, I want to have a good, stable foundation. Without a good, stable foundation, we get taken off our feet, and we're done. So we want to be able to have a good foundation, but we have to also know where to place it. And that's the most important thing. So guys, I want to thank you very much. Some of you guys might be asking, you know, where's Shifu Lloyd? Where's Shifu Lloyd? Well, he's the cameraman for the next couple of shows, so he's on the other end of the camera. But you know what? We're all a family here. We're working really hard, and we're all pushing together to make this work, to share the knowledge out to people who want the information. Again, guys, I want to thank you so much. Please visit the web pages. Please visit our social media. We're on TikTok, we're on Instagram, we're on Facebook, we're everywhere. Again, guys, please share, like, and follow. Leave the comments. Again, guys, train real, get real. That's trademark. Train real, get real. It's really important. Look for the real martial arts, guys. Look for the martial arts that's out there that are giving you that information. You'll know when you see it. See you guys soon. The guard, I lay in, he steps in, I come right over the top here, and I can use my shoulder, my elbow, and my foot.